Hello, my name is Brian Stacks. This is my Java 2 Week 3 video walkthrough. This week we were supposed to create an application that contains three screens, a list, a view, and the add information screen. The application will use multiple activities to create the application. We will use fragments to create all the UI interface. The add screen will allow the user to enter at least 3 points of data. The lists screen will allow the user to view a list of the entered data, and the view screen will allow the user to view the data entered. Uh, List of the data is stored to a file, and data can be added back. Saving out to a file persists data between launches of the activity. View screen will allow the user to delete the item. App will navigate back to the list screen. Application uses explicit intents to pass data to other activities, and uh, intents to pass data to other apps. I'll go ahead and run through some of this in my main activity. We're just starting it off with a fragment transition showing our list fragment and which has our add button. This is my list fragment, does all my list fragment grabbing the entered data that's been saved to the bundle and then putting that back into an array list to create an adapter for the list. Here, if you click the list item, we'll grab the intent to go to the next activity that holds our detail view activity. We're putting our intent, put extras from the list view, and then if you long item click on the list view item, you can remove that item from the list view. We have an enter data fragment that allows you, we're just grabbing the edit text, and then we're allowing you to enter data there, and then we're sending that back to the main activity in our listener and our own fragment interaction here. We're just grabbing our bundle. We're just creating a new instance of our list frag and just putting the entered data name into our list. And then from there, when you click on the list item, it will go to the detail activity. And on the creation of the detail activity, we're just grabbing the detail fragment and putting the intents from the extras into our detail fragment to populate our text views. And we have our own share intent. This is what we do to share with other applications. And this is at just letting you erase the detail view activity. We do have a data adapter. We do save to file on our in our main activity. We're using a helper class I've created. We're writing to the file from the entered data that we're putting in. We're writing that to a file. And so we did use intents. We did use multiple activities to create this, and we are sharing the data with implicit intents and explicit intents. We're using both of them. We are saving to a file and reading to from file. And I will run it and show you real quick. This is our first screen that pops up. You'll be able to enter your name, your age, and your race. And you click it. We'll get a detail view activity, Brian 13 in our race. We can share that with a messaging app. And it will bring up our messenger. My name is Brian. It was already in there. You just put your recipient and then send, and you would already have your data there. We'll discard it. We'll delete. Are you sure we'll delete this entry? Yes. We'll delete the entry. And we can just use the back button to go back. And we can add another entry. Run some checks. You must enter. Each item. And there you have it. using intents. And this has been Brian Stacks for my Java 2 Week 3 multi-activity application.